Looking for a quick, delicious, and high-protein vegetarian meal or evening snack? Then look no further. Today we'll be making paneer bread pizza with all the calories and macros calculated for you. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Super Saiyan series. As most of you know, I'm on my very own fat loss journey. We are currently in week 6 and this is how I'm looking. Still a long way to go, but I'm so happy with the progress I've made so far. I truly believe your diet is what's gonna make you or break you on this journey. If you aren't enjoying the foods that you eat, it is not going to be sustainable, guys. You are going to snap and you're going to call it quits. But I am here to show you that you don't have to cut down on rice, you don't have to cut down on sugar, you don't have to cut down on anything to reach your fitness goals. A couple of days ago, I made this recipe and it was out of this world and it tasted so goddamn good, guys, and I just wanted to share it with you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a delicious and high protein paneer bread pizza recipe, and all the calories and the macros will be mentioned at the end of the video. All you need to do is make it, enjoy it, track the calories, and as long as you're eating lesser than your maintenance calories, you're going to lose weight and you are going to make progress. It's as simple as that, guys. So with that being said, let's jump into the recipe. So for the main ingredients, you will need 4 slices of bread. I've taken white bread, 56 grams of low-fat cheese, 84 grams of cubed paneer, 2 tablespoons or 34 grams of ketchup along with 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, a bit of minced garlic, and veggies of your choice. I've taken corn, green bell peppers, and onion. First, let's go ahead and make the pizza sauce. So take the ketchup and to that let's add the garlic, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce along with seasonings of your choice. I went with onion and herbs, Italian seasoning, chili flakes, and finally black pepper. Once it's mixed well, time to add the sauce onto the 4 slices of bread. After the sauce is evenly distributed, we can go ahead and start adding the toppings. I started off with green bell peppers. Next, I went in with the onions, paneer, corn, and finally the cheese. Usually when I make it at home, I just mix the veggies and paneer and add them all at once. But hey, this is for YouTube, so I had to make it look aesthetically good. Therefore, I was more meticulous about it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. We are done with the toppings. Anyway, moving on. Now when it comes to baking the pizza, I baked 2 in the oven and 2 in the air fryer just to see the difference, to see how it tastes. And honestly, guys, they both tasted really good. So if you are using the oven, set it to 350 degrees and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. And if you are using an air fryer, set it to 360 degrees for 4 to 6 minutes. And once it's done, just look at that, guys. My God, tastes just as good as it looks. And finally, at the end, if you'd like, you can go ahead and sprinkle some oregano seasoning along with some salt on the top and you are good to go. Now moving on to the calorie and the macronutrient breakdown for this entire recipe. So this entire recipe is about 740 calories, of which 71 grams are carbs, 33 grams are fat, and 46 grams are protein. And if you decide to divide this into 2 servings, then each serving is 370 calories, of which 36 grams are carbs, 16 grams are fat, and 23 grams are protein. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. You don't have to eat bland food, you don't have to eat chicken, broccoli, and rice, and you don't have to eat salads all day to lose weight. You can add foods like these into your diet to make it enjoyable and to make it sustainable. So please do try the recipe out. If you do, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.